So we are in Hokkaido, the northern prefecture of Japan, and the second largest island after the main island of Honshu. And in Hokkaido, it's about 45 minutes from Sapporo Chitose Airport. And it's a lake called Lake Shikotsu. It's a popular area to do, kayaking and hiking and just water sports and just relaxing. There's also a onsen, a hot springs area around here, and this is one of the newly built Japanese inns called Lake Shikotsu, Tsuruga Besso Aonoza. This is their logo, and you walk in like this. It newly opened in 2000, I believe 23 or 24. So, ここはいつできたんですか？去年の2年前の5月。
7年目ですね。
あ、もう7年になるんだ。Oh, so it's 2018 in May. So actually, it's about 7-8 years, but it looks extremely stylish. We have stayed at another one of the Tsuruga group hotels, luxury ones called Akan Tsuruga Besso Hinanoza. And so, anyways, this is our second one that we're staying in. It's a company known for properties in Hokkaido. So just showing you kind of the common area. This is another little lounge, nook and cranny. You can see it's extremely stylish. This is where we are checking in. And then you come around over here is a bar area with an impressive selection of various beverages. Hokkaido is known as a harsh place historically for humans to habitate in. It's known for some unique wildlife as well as owls. There's a lot of wood carving art. And so there's some exhibits of various tools and artwork of the people, from the people here, that kind of showcases the way of life in this island. The Ainus were the local indigenous population, and some of the culture still sort of stays intact. Konnichiwa. And this is some art of the locals. And hey, another look at this inner courtyard area. And so you come around this way, you can see all the way up. Big wood pillars all the way to the top. See all the way around. And this is where we came from. And so you turn around. Elevator to the upper floors where some of the rooms are. And I believe our room is here too. And another lounge area, a library as well as a gift shop. Oh, very nice. So think of the Ainu as like Inuit people or First Nations in Canada, or I guess what they call them, the Native Americans, but the Eskimos in Alaska. And there's indigenous people in Greenland and various parts of, especially the polar areas of the world. But this is kind of an exhibit plus a gift shop. Wow, there's some of the traditional garb. And I believe this is for sure an Ainu apparel. So you can just chill out here. Check-in time here is a generous 2 p.m. Often it's 3 p.m. in various places, but as a default, they allow people to get here early. Checkout is still the standard 11 a.m. So you can spend a fair amount of good time. I think 2 o'clock is good because, especially in the winter months, it's going to get darker earlier here. So to kind of enjoy the scenery, we should be able to see Lake Akan from our room. So to kind of enjoy the scenery when it's not completely dark, they probably allow people to get in a little bit earlier. So some more traditional Ainu artwork inspired items. And so anyways, this is a tatami floor room. Again, when you walk in, shoes come off, and yeah, it's that's just the way it is for hygienic purposes, as well as not to damage a lot of these tatami or woven straw mats. So we'll go back where we came from. ここは何室あるんですか？客室。25 rooms。で、うちの部屋は何階になるんですか？
本日は2階でございます。
2階。で、合計何階あるんですか？
4階までの2階、3階、4階に客室です。
So from the second to the fourth floor is where they have the guest rooms. And there's a total of 25 rooms here. So a little bit larger than kind of family-owned Japanese inns, but that's partly has to do with the fact that it's a large company, or it's not a family, well, it might be a family-owned company, but it's not a mom-and-pop affair here. So anyways, this is the common area. We're probably missing some other areas. ちょっと伺っていいですか？露天風呂とか貸し切り風呂ってはあるんですか、ここに？お部屋だけですよね。大浴場とかそういうのはない。なるほど。OK。
向かいにですね、水の歌というホテルがありまして、そちらに大浴場ございます。ご利用いただきます。
So what he's saying is that the baths here are all in the room. すべての25室には温泉が。Okay, so all 25 rooms have their own private bath. If you want to be in a larger bath, there's a place, Mizuno Oto desu ka? A sister property, Mizuno Uta, which is a larger property, probably less luxurious, but you can use the public baths there. で、この一般のエリアっていうのは、今、こうぐるっと回って、すべてなりますね。So, Lake Shikotsu Tsuruga Besso Aonoza. Okay, hope you enjoyed.